Yeah guys, so guess what? Let's go make some chicken soup right now. Alright? Yeah man, follow me. Alright guys, so this is everything I'm using. So right now we got chicken feet, aka chicken foot, and we got chicken neck. Right? Take a look. Wash and everything. Nails cut and everything, alright? So yeah. We got the yellow yam. Alright. We got pumpkin. We call this chocho. I don't know, maybe in America them have a different name, but this is chocho we call this. Right? We have Irish potato. Everybody know that. And then scallion. That's what we call it. We got a one scotch bonnet. Yeah. We got some, we call it pimenta, right? Allspice, them call it. You can cook soup and have some garlic, right? What else we have? We are gonna put flour in it, but we have, see, some chicken soup, chicken noodle soup, I should say. Flavor soup, yeah. And then we have the pumpkin soup, this one. So. This is all I'm using. So right now I'm gonna take out the noodles. I just need the seasoning. You know, I'm gonna show you, but I just need the seasoning from these. I don't need the actual noodles. It's gonna make the soup too thick. Alright, so I already have my pot over here, so I'll go on bubble. Yeah. I think I should add these right now. It's splashing, and also garlic, never too much. Yeah, garlic never too much. You see it? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Add them to the pot. All right. So hold on. I left out this, oh I forgot this. I got some other corn here. Yeah, so well, I'll get the vegetable them ready, alright? Cool. So while that is going, I'm gonna get my vegetables and all that ready, alright? And don't forget I'm putting carrot in also. I'm putting carrot inside also, so this is how I peel my yam. This is the yellow yam, I understand? Yeah. I cut it like this. Yeah. Cutting it like this today. Yeah, so. So I like to put them in some water. Yeah man, so corn and everything. This is how I do it. Alright, there you go. I'm not gonna trap myself, nah. There you go. So next is the pumpkin. I'm not trying to bore you guys, but yeah, I'm just showing you how I do things, you know. Don't do it like this. If you have a peeler at home, one of them scraping thing, use it. For Americans or, you know, or real Jamaican, trust me, that's how we do it. So clean out the inside. And I cut it like this. I'm trying to video and do my thing at the same time, so yeah. So Irish. I don't know why I didn't just make a live on them, but yeah. As I said, not trying to bore you. Not trying to bore you guys though. You missed my video. Yeah guys, so hopefully the pot can hold everything. So this is Irish potato. This is how I do it. I don't have a, I think I have a peeler inside here and a thing to peel it, but I don't know. I think this way is quicker for me. Maybe, or maybe not. So we cut it down right there. Don't cut yourself. Don't try. Get a scraper, please. So yeah. And this is carrot. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Yeah, please do. Yeah, man. Hopefully the pot can hold everything, because this is a lot. I'm gonna let you see it there. Hold on. Yeah, this is everything. So guys, this is how I like to do my noodles. Yeah. Watch me. See? Because all I need from this is this, not these. No, I don't need these. You understand what I'm saying? I don't need all of that. That's gonna make the soup too thick and not too much noodle. So all I need is this. So this is how we're looking so far. So I did put some pumpkin inside here, so I'm trying to crush it out to give it color. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. I just need some color. We're gonna add more, but that's later. Come now guys, let's make some dumplings. We need some flour, right? Yeah. That's good. Put some more. That's good. We need some salt. And let's go. Go and make flour, yeah. Now this is how I make dumpling. Yeah, this is Not bad. This is how I make dumplings, you know. Everybody make them dumplings different. But you understand? Why am I lighting it so dark? More like it. Yeah. See that fingernail cut and everything when I'm clean, and I have to worry about, you know. Yeah, see. Not bad. Yeah, that's how we're looking already. Looking solid already, you know, man. Yeah, man. We don't add this in yet. We don't add no vegetable yet. We don't add the dumpling yet. Hopefully the pot can hold everything. So I'm really full. That's garlic. Oh guys, sure. I did put some green, we call it green gungo, you know, green peas. Put some green peas in it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, and I did go ahead and put the yam in it too, the yellow, we call this one the yellow yam. Yellow yam. Did go ahead and put this one in it. Yeah, put the scallions in it too. Yeah. So giving this like probably 15 minutes, then we start add the dumplings in it and everything, you know. And we can put some of this in it right now. Yeah. And everything. See? Color change. Instant color change. Yeah, man. Hopefully everything can hold it, see? 2, 4, 6, 7, and all that. So we're gonna try. So now let's see if everything can hold. So alright. 2, 3, 4, getting full. 5, 6, 7, and then 2 look over there. So let's see. So the pot is almost overflowing now. And we still have this. Still have these to put in it. I don't know if it can hold. Alright, let's try. No, we're holding up. No. I'm gonna get a different pot. No. Alright, don't worry. It's not gonna hold, so let that go on and cook. And I'm gonna put this in a different pot because everything must go. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. So we're gonna have a different pot for this one, definitely. Yeah, guys. So this is how we do it. Right, look beside me. Yeah, man. That's the soup there. Yeah, man. Seat belt down and everything. Yeah, seat belt down. And we're on the road. Yeah, man, we're on the road. Making the delivery. It's actually a favor. You know, I'm just doing a favor today. So, yeah, not really selling or anything like that. So, yeah. Right there.